Welcome to English Tales channel. My daily routine. In this video, we will explain what a daily routine is and why it's important to know how to talk about it in English. A daily routine includes all the activities you do in a day, like waking up early in the morning, washing your face, brushing your teeth, eating breakfast, going to school or work, coming back home, doing homework or chores, eating dinner, and finally going to bed. Knowing how to describe your routine helps you talk about your day with others, ask them about their routine, and have simple conversations in English. We will also use photos that show these activities, so you can easily connect the words with the pictures. This will make it easier for you to understand and remember the words. By the end of the video, you will be able to confidently talk about your own daily routine in English. Thanks for watching and asking any questions related to learning English.